afternoon, welcome. This is Neco year 2019 English test of oral past question number 15. So we are still using the same instruction to answer this, which says we should look out for a word among this list of options that has the same vowel sound as in the given word, and particularly the underline letters here are A-U-G-T. So, and this word is pronounced as cut, long or sound. Don't forget. The option A here is pronounced as ant, long a, not ant, ant. The option B is pronounced as laugh, long a, yeah, laugh. The option C is pronounced as sausage, which is short or sausage. The option D is pronounced as short. That is option D. So here we have long vowel sound, long or. Then option E is pronounced as wasps. So the correct option here is option D, which is short because it has the same vowel sound as in the given word. Thank you and God bless you. Ensure you subscribe for more of our videos.